In Chapter 27 of To Kill a Mockingbird, tensions between good and evil mount as Halloween approaches, and subsequent events suggest an ominous outcome. At the beginning of the chapter, Scout reveals the various events that have transpired in Maycomb. Bob Ewell got a job and lost it, then accused Atticus of getting him fired. He also harassed Helen Robinson, Tom's widow, as she walks to work every day. Judge Taylor was at home one night where he hears weird noises, goes to investigate, and finds a shadow leaving his yard. Rachel Haverford told Alexandra that Bob Ewell even made threats to Atticus at the post office. More so, Scout is to be a ham for the pageant in celebration of Halloween at a local school. This will be Maycomb's first organized celebration of Halloween, an effort made to distract from the town's darker Halloween traditions regarding mischief and pranks. The pageant is planned by the local school authorities to keep children busy and away from causing troubling antics. Scout has one main role: to show up and walk across the stage. Citizens of Maycomb County express fear for these threats by suggesting that Atticus should carry a firearm for protection. But Atticus maintains a calm demeanor, downplaying these threats as empty. He also refrains from telling Scout and Jem about his encounters with Bob Ewell. Scout's nervous attempts to remember her lines from the pageant also suggest the tension and unease that is running through the town. Yet, she also learns that there is a general belief that the town folks will offer their full support to Atticus and his family in these threatening times. By the end of the chapter, readers are left with a sense of foreboding due to Bob Ewell's escalating hostility, even though Atticus and Alexandra try to keep the children calm and unaware. It sets the stage for the climactic encounter between the forces of good and evil in the following chapters.